It is now, what time? It's now 6:40 a.m. My face is washed. And put a little sunscreen on it. I know I told you guys I was not going to do this again today, but come on. Goddamn. Just sit back. And my eyes look good. And my hair looks good. I used to think I'm gonna recurl this little part, but it's upsetting me. Do you guys take multivitamins? Let me know. I've been taking a liquid multivitamin for my iron. You gotta put on some. We are putting. Oh. Have you guys ever gotten a scar this ugly before? I'm just gonna put the rest right there. I need earrings. Does everybody have 2 ear piercings? All right, so let's go get dressed for the day. Let's make some coffee. Has anyone ever played this game before? Now I'm making my husband's coffee, even though I'm a little mad, but we're still gonna make it because I'm trying to be the wife that I want to be, not the wife that he deserves. Okay, it's 6:55 and I'm now about to pull out all the leftovers or all the food that needs to be thrown away because I have company coming over bright and early and I don't want them in my fridge thinking that, you know, I'm like a trifling housewife. I'm not a housewife. I'm just a girl. Can you freeze a breakfast casserole? I'm gonna freeze it. I don't give a damn. But I'm like super curious. Please don't let this mess my stomach up. We're done. These are leftovers from this past weekend, guys. I'm freezing this. I don't care. Let's do that. Freezer bag for the freezer. No, I'm gonna save this for my dog. Can dogs eat pork every day? Good morning. It's 7:08 and my son is downstairs for breakfast, so we're about to try these things out from Aldi's. You like 2? 3? Yeah, damn! Did you guys know that Percy Spencer was an African American and he invented the microwave? I wasn't sure about my hair until I woke up this morning and it's Thanks, Percy. Let's go ahead and open these blinds. Is it just me or do shorts feel more comfortable like this? All right, let's wash some dishes. And yes, it's 7:17. Plant food really work or is it really killing our plants? It's 7:31. Let's feed our dog. Come on, Coco. Paul. Thank you for this food that would never see for nourish my body and press my prayer. Amen. Go eat. Okay, girl. It's 7:35 and I'm about to redip my hair because this little curl is bothering me. So let's put it back in some hot water. I'm gonna do this one too. I think I got 3 rollers in here. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna leave it. Meanwhile, you receive a phone notification on Mr. Green's flip sheet and all relevant fields on the treatment. Let's see. Okay, that's my smell. It's 8:18 and I am outside Publix to smell the bread. Just kidding, I'm here to get some groceries, but you know, we gonna smell the bread because early in the morning, if you don't know, they make fresh bread and it smells so good, so sweet up in there. So let's go. Okay, I forgot this was like this. My bad, y'all. It's 8:45 a.m. I'm at Walmart to see if I can get some other things. Let's go. It's 9:23. I'm back home. I almost threw away my thing. But I'm about to make some chicken salad and then I'm gonna head back out for the rest of my day. It's 10:35 a.m. I'm already running late. I'm supposed to be at my sister's at 10 o'clock, but my bed is not made. And the person that I'm going to be at 8 p.m. after having a very long, busy, and exhausting day expects to have a made up bed. So I've got to take like 3 minutes to make up my bed and then I head out the door, okay? Able to afford house peaceful? Head. Maybe. No? Okay. Alexa, what time is it? It's 10:36 a.m. My bed is made. So now I know I will be happy when I get home. We're gonna spray some of this. 10:36, the bed is made. I made the chicken salad. So I tried it, and because it has red onion in it, my breath smells like red onion. So I'm going to use some mouthwash. It's 10:38 a.m. and I decided that I'm gonna put on a seamless bra to go up under this for today. So let's go ahead and do that. No, guys, don't try this at home. This is for professionals only. Boom. Smell good air. So are we wearing sunglasses today? Not these. Groovy, baby. No. Raise your hand if you're just gonna wear whatever sunglasses are in the car. Hey, bye. It is 2:40. I am at my sister's house right now. I just helped her set up her rug. Y'all want to see her rug? Y'all want to see it? Let me show you. 3:50 p.m. I've made it back home. It's time for me to go inside and do my daughter's hair. She has a birthday party tonight, so I got to make sure she's looking cute. Okay, we'll be back. All right, we're doing the hair. Let's get it done. 4:45. Hair is done. Daughter is off to the birthday party, and I am headed back out to help my sister move her furniture upstairs. And my son has a game at 7:30, so we got to make it. 5:58. My sister is now moved in with her new ottoman, and I have some editing to do before my son's game at 7 o'clock. So I'm gonna make this, get some stuff done, and I'll check in with y'all, okay? It's 8:22. I am 22 minutes late, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye. Tapping in. It is 11:30 at night. I'm just making it home after picking my son up from his game or going to see his game, and nothing makes me happier than seeing my bed made and ready for me to get into it after a nice clean shower. I'll talk to you guys later. Okay, bye.